Hello everyone, how are you? This is my design team project for Canvas Crops Designs, and for this project I used the 12 by 12 individual sheets of paper of the Wanderlust. This is the paper that I used. It's an amazing paper, and I used the 12 by 12 individual sheets, so you will see. Let's see what I have done so far. Let me explain to you. In the outside, I took one of the 12 by 12 mixed media kits, and I took the canvas of it because they have, various papers and they have a canvas at the end of it. So I took the canvas from it and I placed it here. And this is, I did some zigzag stitching all around and frayed the edges. So inside I put just a piece of cardstock, and on the other side I just put another piece of canvas, and this is some organza ribbon that it's actually a piece of fabric that I tear and make stripes of it. So here it will be the inside of it. So we'll create two pockets here and one pocket here, and we'll do some stitching and then put it on the cover. And here, let me explain what I did with the papers. So here's the papers, and all I did is I cut just a bit, I mean a really tiny all around, and really tiny stripe from the paper, so it will make it smaller than 12 by 12. So because my canvas is 12 by 12, this canvas is 12 by 12, so I want it just a bit smaller so it will fit there. And the other thing I did is, because this page has this beautiful patchwork of fabrics or wallpapers, I just did a zigzag stitch so it looks like it's a patchwork, or like it's put there like that. So I also will explain what I did to the pages. The pages are sprayed with the mists and did some stencil on them. So I will show you for what I did in one page, and you will understand what I did in all of them. It's the same technique. They are all sprayed with glimmer mists, so they have a very beautiful shine. And I did some stitching.